Take it slow. Don't get in your way, keep it moving. At the pace of every weather, look within. And don't forget you are surrounded by the wind as it rushes in your lungs. Oh, honey, you are born of the moon, precious cave. Don't forget there is unknown inside you. Don't turn away from yourself by being like somebody else. You are tied, crashing over and call of the mountains in the darkest tunnels, or where your light come from. So take it slow. What you long for is on its way, and don't stop reaching.